Hi, Christopher.
Hi.
Would you like to tell us your birthday, your full name?
I'm Christopher Martin Roach Dapulos. My birthday is November 20, 1994.
Wow. Okay, so where did you go to high school and college?
Lumaki ako sa Olongapo. Doon ako nag-aral ng elementary at high school. St. Joseph College, yung pangalan ng school ko. From elementary to high school.
Okay, first crush.
First crush, hindi ko maalala. Pero, kalimutan ko yung name. Pero, bata pa ako nun eh. Kinder, ata, I guess. Kinder.
What do you like in a girl?
Siguro yung pagiging totoo niya lang sa sarili.
What made you fall in love in acting and being a celebrity?
In the process, nangyari siya in the process. Hindi ko alam na may talent pala ako sa pag-acting. Hanggat minahal ko na ng minahal.
What was your most unforgettable Filipino movie?
Na ginawa ko?
No, you watched.
I watched. Ano yung Popoy Basha? One More Chance ba yun? One More Chance.
Okay. So, it's John Lloyd.
John Lloyd Bea.
All the way up. John Lloyd Bea. Tapos, anong favorite color?
Purple Black.
Purple black. Nagka-girlfriend ka na ba?
Oo. Nung high school. Nag-start ako nung high school.
Okay. If you're looking for... Do you have a girlfriend right now?
Yes.
Yes. What do you like in a girl?
Sinabi ko na kanina yun
Oo nga pala.
Yung totoo.
Yung pagiging totoo.
Being true
Okay.
to herself.
Favorite quote?
Quote?
Oh.
I demolished the bridge behind me, so there's no other way but to move forward.
Favorite subject?
Biology.
If you are not an actor and not in showbiz, what do you think? What career do you think you will be?
A lawyer.
You want to be a lawyer. Okay. So what do you suggest to all the students right now?
Keep your goal in your head. Always move forward. Alamin mo lang kung anong gusto mo. Walang madaling maganda. Yun lang, walang madaling maganda.
Okay. Thank you.